What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get the voice chat on Roblox. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Roblox game on your mobile phone. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon, more option. Then you have to scroll a little bit down here, click on settings, and you have to click on account info. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on mobile number. To verify your mobile number, you have to put your mobile number here, and they will send a OTP on your phone number, and you have to put it here. Then your phone number will be verified. There is a three things guys. You have to verify your phone number, email address, and your ID card. So I'm going to guide you through that. So after verifying your phone number, you have to put your email address here, and they will send a OTP to your email address. Then you have to put it here, and your email address will be verified. So after doing these two things, you are on the main thing here, the ID verification. So you have to put your gender here, and you have to put your birthday. That is showing that you have to make sure you are above 13 years old to get this feature. So after that, you have to scan your national ID card or your birthday certificate or your driving license like this to make sure you are verifying your ID card. So after doing all those things carefully, you have to click on save to make sure all those things are saved on Roblox. Then you have to go back on settings, and you have to click on privacy option here. So after doing all those things, you are ready to go now. Then you are doing the one thing here, use microphone to chat with voice. You have to click on this option here. Then you have to verify this, click on enable. After doing so, you have to click on use camera to animate your avatar. If you want to do this, you can enable this also. And now you are ready to go. So this is how you can get your voice chat on Roblox on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.